Hi, Bobby and Sandy. So I feel bad that I think I might have confused you with this whole Safe YouTube, and I thought I would go through it with you on a video, and then you can watch it and try it at home. So I'm going to go up to my menu bar, and I'm going to type in YouTube grandfather's, whoopsie, story. Wasn't that the first story we had to do or something like that? Here it is, by Alan Say. So I'm going to click on the YouTube link, and I'm not going to listen to it, but I'm going to go down here to the share button and hit share. This is the web page for that story, and I'm going to hit copy. And because it was highlighted in blue, that means that it was copied. Then I can go up here and go to SafeYouTube.net. SafeYouTube.net, and then I'll hit return. And this is what the page comes up to. I will put my cursor here, Command V, and there goes the link, and I'll generate a link. This is what it will come up like so that I know I have copied the correct link. I will copy that, and then if you want to test it to see if what it's going to look like, you can hit here, go to Safe View, and this is what the video is going to look like. It doesn't have any advertisements, anything like that.
Grandfather's Journey by
And
Alan
they can
Say.
watch it kind of in a much more safe platform. So let's say we're going to go in. I'm going to stop this. And I want to put that in a letter to a parent. So I'll go into my drive. This is just my personal drive, but the MNVA drive is the same. And then if we open up a new document, and I'm patient, which I'm not patient, and let's say then I'm going to type this into the parents in a letter or an email. Please listen to grandfather's story on YouTube. It's not on YouTube anymore. So please listen to grandfather's story. And then instead of just putting the link in like that, there's the Safe YouTube link. I always like to highlight, go to the link button, and put the link there. It just looks a little bit neater, I think. I don't know. And then when they get to this and they read it, please listen to grandfather's story. They can click right on the link, and then it will take them to the nice, clean web page. So hopefully that helps a little bit, and I'm sorry if I confused you before.